Imagine your outdoor patio transformed into a vibrant, blooming oasis. With the right flower bed design, you can create a stunning and inviting space that enhances the beauty of your home. In this video, we'll explore a variety of creative ideas, from vibrant color palettes to unique shapes and textures. A thoughtfully designed flower bed can add a touch of elegance, color, and fragrance to your outdoor patio. It can also serve as a focal point, drawing attention to the beauty of your space. Whether you have a small balcony or a spacious patio, there are countless ways to create a stunning flower bed that complements your personal style and enhances your outdoor living experience. Selecting the right plants is essential for creating a thriving and visually appealing flower bed. Consider the size of your patio, the amount of sunlight it receives, and your desired aesthetic when choosing plants. Opt for varieties that are well suited to your local climate and require minimal maintenance. To ensure year-round color and interest, incorporate a mix of annuals, perennials, and shrubs. A well-chosen color palette can make a significant impact on the overall appearance of your flower bed. Consider using complementary colors for a bold and striking effect, or opt for analogous colors for a more harmonious and soothing look. Experiment with different color combinations to find the perfect palette that reflects your personal style and complements the existing colors of your patio. Beyond color, the shape and texture of your flower bed can also contribute to its overall appeal. Consider creating a curved or circular design for a softer, more organic look. Incorporate different textures by using a variety of plants with varying leaf shapes and sizes. You can also add texture by using unique materials for the edges of your flower bed, such as natural stones or bricks. Accessories and decor can add personality and charm to your flower bed. Consider using garden ornaments, bird baths, or wind chimes to create a focal point. Incorporate outdoor lighting to highlight the beauty of your plants and extend your enjoyment of your patio space into the evening. If you're looking for a low-maintenance flower bed, consider using drought-tolerant plants and minimizing the amount of lawn to care for. Choose plants that require minimal pruning or deadheading. Incorporate mulch around your plants to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. If you have a small patio, don't worry. There are plenty of creative ways to create a beautiful flower bed. Consider using vertical gardening techniques, such as hanging planters or wall-mounted pots. You can also opt for low-growing plants that won't take up too much space. With a little planning and creativity, you can transform your outdoor patio into a blooming oasis. By carefully selecting plants, choosing a harmonious color palette, and incorporating unique shapes and textures, you can create a personalized and eye-catching flower bed that enhances the beauty and enjoyment of your outdoor space. Ready to start planning your dream flower bed? Which design inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll love this next one.